Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure you have the right access and modules. Do it now. Once confirmed, export a small set of existing records to CSV to capture exact field names and required formats. This avoids guessing. Then, prepare your import file. Save as UTF-8, include a header row with Odoo field keys, and choose comma or semicolon delimiters depending on your localization. Make a backup of target records before proceeding. This protects you if something goes wrong. You now upload the CSV into Odoo's import interface and inspect the preview. This is where mapping matters. Drag or select each CSV column to the exact Odoo field and assign external ID when updating existing records so the system knows to match instead of duplicate. Pay attention to data types. Use YIMMDD for dates, true/false for booleans, and dot decimals for numbers. If the preview shows errors, correct the CSV or field mappings and re-upload, and you finish by importing a small batch to confirm behavior. Once satisfied, run the full import. After import, review imported records and Odoo's logs for any warnings or skipped rows. These logs point to the exact row and column causing trouble, so use them. If something fails catastrophically, restore the backup, fix the CSV formatting or field mapping, and re-import. Remember, iterative testing and external ID prevent duplicates and keep your database clean, so take that extra minute to verify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.